Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adel Aska Suryani. I'm a student accounting at Diponegoro University. In the morning, the title of my presentation is Cost Accounting, and I have 3 points in my presentation. The first point in my presentation is cost accounting purpose, and then the second point is cost accounting function, and the last point in my presentation is cost product. Before that you know about cost accounting, okay, listen to my explanation. Definition of cost accounting is the process of recording, summarizing, classifying, analyzing, and presenting the cost of making and selling service or product by carrying out certain method and interpretation. This cost accounting is needed for accountability to external companies such as inventor, investor or creditor, as well as internal parties or management of the company itself. Cost accounting is needed by every company because the historical data present in the recording will be very important to be used by management in making decisions or policies in the future. Let's now look at the first point in my presentation. This is cost accounting purpose. There are 4 cost accounting purpose that I will discuss. Namely, number 1, determination of cost sold. It means record, classify, and summarize the cost of making a product. And number 2, providing cost information for management purpose. It means cost as a measure of efficiency. And number 3, planning tools. It means business planning must be related to income and cost. Cost planning will be not complicate cost. And then the last is cost control. It means comprise the cost that should be incurred to product with the accrual cost incurred. Let me now turn to cost accounting function. There are 4 cost accounting functions. Number 1, detailing the cost or price of the basic product. Number 2, provide cost information for management control. And number 3, do the calculation and reporting of the principle of a product. And number 4, provide basic information for planning costs. And then the last but not least in my presentation is product cost. Production costs are classified into 3. This is number 1 is material cost. Material cost, what it means by materials, are materials used to make finished goods. Material costs represent the value or amount of rupiah contained in the material used for the production process. And material cost can be divided into 2. Direct material and indirect material. Direct material, for example, is wood in the manufacture of wooden table and fabric in a confection company. And indirect material, for example, is nails and wood glue in the manufacture of wooden table and yarn in making clothes or confection. And number 2, labor cost. Labor costs are the salaries of employees for production. These costs can be divided into 2, direct labor costs and indirect labor costs. Direct labor costs are salaries or wages of worker employed to process material into finished good. And indirect labor costs are the salaries of wages of the production. So indirect labor costs are the salaries of wages of the production section, laborers who are not directly involved in the process of processing material into finished product. And the last, number 3, factory overhead costs are costs incurred in the production process other than those include in the cost of raw material and direct labor cost. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. If I can briefly summarize, cost accounting provide classification and distribution of cost in controlling raw material, supporting material, labor cost, and indirect cost, setting standard for measuring efficiency, providing data and preparing budgets, and for carefully setting the cost of product or service produced by company. And then the purpose of cost accounting is to provide cost information for management to assist them in managing the company. Determination of the cost of the product is also a goal of the factory. Production can only be done if there is a separation between production cost and non-production cost. Thank you for listening attentively. And do you have any question? Okay, good morning and goodbye.